You've probably found yourself in a situation where money is tight and you need a way to make cash quickly. Honestly, I get it. You need to change your financial situation and you need to do it now. You might feel desperate, frustrated, or just plain stuck. I've been there and I know how bad it can feel. The problem is, most of the advice you hear about making money fast is flat out wrong. It's filled with lies and quick fixes solutions that will only waste your time. But luckily for you, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and I'm going to keep it super simple. And if you're wondering why you should listen to me, my name is Fred and I come from a low middle class background, but it still hasn't prevented me from building my own online business and making thousands of dollars per day in profit from it, literally just working from home in my bathrobe, as you can see. So I do know a thing or two about making money online. The first thing you need to realize is that you have to take action right now. There's no time to waste. You can't sit around waiting for something magical to happen. I know, because plenty of people stay in this thinking mode or research mode forever. When you're in a situation where you need money quickly, the last thing you want to do is to wait. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. You need to act fast. And by fast, I mean right now. Whether you need cash to pay a bill, or you just want to get ahead or start becoming financially free, the sooner you get moving, the sooner you can start seeing results. Look, on a weekly basis, I speak to dozens of ambitious people who want to become financially free and start a business online. And do you know what's the difference between the ones that succeed and the ones who don't? The ones who don't succeed, who stay stuck in the same financial situation, what they do is they keep thinking, they keep researching, but they never actually pull the trigger and just do something. But I can guarantee you that the ones who start soon and fast, they get the best results and quickly. A lot of us have been taught that if we just follow the traditional path, everything will work out. And by traditional path, I mean go to school, get a degree, land a corporate job, and everything will be fine. One day you can retire and finally live the life you want. But here's the reality. That path doesn't lead to success. I'm going to be honest with you. Going to college and getting a corporate job often just leads to more debt and burnout. You end up working long hours, often doing the stuff that's not very fulfilling and getting paid just enough to stay in the same place and to afford a vacation maybe once a year. It's a grind that doesn't really get you ahead. I learned this the hard way. I spent a lot of time doing internships that literally didn't pay anything. I worked for hours on end and I felt like I was just spinning my wheels. It was frustrating. I thought I was doing what I was supposed to do, but it didn't feel right. And that's when it hit me. Traditional careers weren't the answer. Not if you wanted freedom, at least. So what's the solution then? Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. That's when I discovered entrepreneurship. You see, entrepreneurship is different from the typical 9-to-5 grind. It gives you freedom, real freedom. The kind of freedom where you get to decide what you want to do, when you want to do it, and how much you want to make. There's no boss telling you what to do. No office hours, no rules. It's all in your hands. You choose when you work and what you want to do. But here's the kicker. You don't need a big startup investment or fancy degrees to get started. You don't need a huge office or a big team. I didn't when I got started. You can start right now from your laptop with just a little bit of knowledge and the willingness to take action. Really, it is that simple. It's better than overthinking everything and never getting started. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what about selling products online? Everyone's doing that, right? Well, sure, you can sell products, but it's not as easy as it sounds. Think about it. When you sell a product, there's a lot of work involved. You need to manage inventory, handle shipping, deal with customer service, and keep up with the returns. Plus, you're going to need to pay for ads or have a big audience, and all of that is time-consuming and expensive. And let's not forget about the slim profit margins. If you're trying to make a lot of money quickly with products, it's not going to happen as fast as you think. It takes time to get things going. You need to test a lot of things and at least you should have $10K to spend on ads. But there's a better way to make money fast, and that's by offering services or coaching instead of selling physical products. The beauty of selling services and coaching, even digital products, is that you don't need a ton of money to invest upfront. You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. and you don't have to deal with returns or refunds. You simply offer a service, coaching, or digital product you're good at or are willing to learn, and you get paid for it. And to give you just a few examples, some of my customers, they help busy executives to get in shape without giving up the foods that they love and without having to spend hours in the gym. Some people also help guys to find the love of their life. Some help businesses with lead generation. Some help creators to monetize their talents. You can literally sell anything as long as you solve a painful problem for someone. The best part about services is that you can start making money quickly. You can land a couple of clients and make $2,000 a month, maybe more, just by offering a few services. That's real money that you can use to change your situation and later on to even replace the income you make with your day job. So let's put this in perspective. With a product-based business like dropshipping, for example, it can take months to make any real money. And honestly, I'm being generous here. Most people don't make a single dime. I know I've spoken to hundreds of them. You've got to set up your store, figure out your products, get traffic, and then hope for the best. And even when you do make a sale, the profit is so small that it doesn't move the needle much. On the other hand, selling services, coaching offers, or even digital products allows you to jump in right away and start getting paid for your knowledge or skills or the skills of other people. You could literally start today and begin making money in the next few days or weeks. Now, it's not typical, but it's possible. That's the power of offering services, and it's fast and super scalable. Now, what if you don't have a skill? Well, no problem. You can learn a skill or get someone else to do the work for you. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know enough to help someone solve a problem. That's the key. If you can help people with something they need, whether it's writing, designing, marketing, or even teaching them something that will improve their personal life, you can get paid for it. And as you get better at your craft, you can charge more and work with higher paying customers. But here's the secret sauce. You don't have to do all the work yourself. You can scale your business by hiring contractors. Let's say you start offering a service like writing, but you get so many clients that you can't handle all of the work. What do? Instead of turning down clients or burning out, you hire other people or leverage AI to help with the work. You pay them a fair price and you keep the difference. You can do this even if you don't know how to deliver the service yourself. And that way, you can take on more clients without doing all of the work. You focus on sales, relationships, and growing your business while your contractor handles the tasks. It's a smart way to scale without sacrificing your time or energy. But here's the thing. You won't get clients until you go out and get them. You can't sit around and hope that clients will magically find you. You have to go after them. This means reaching out to potential clients directly. It could be through DMs on social media, sending emails, or even using LinkedIn to make connections. The faster you reach out to people, the faster you can get clients. You don't have to wait for organic traffic to come to you. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars on ads when you're just getting started. The direct outreach is the quickest and easiest way to get clients and start making money for free. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Now, I know what you're thinking, but it feels awkward to reach out to people like that. I get it. It's uncomfortable at first. But guess what? It works. Most people are too scared to put themselves out there, which is why they don't make money. If you want results, you have to take action. You can't wait for people to come to you. You have to go to them. And here's the real truth. It only takes one client to change your financial situation. Just one, that's all it takes. If you can land one solid client, you can make enough money to start building a real business. From there, you can scale and get more clients. But it all starts with taking action today. You don't have to wait. You can start reaching out to clients right now and start offering your services. But here's a warning. Be careful of the easy money scams. You'll see a lot of people online promising you quick cash with little effort. And then they'll try to sell you on the idea of dropshipping or affiliate marketing or some other so-called get-rich-quick scheme. But I've been there, I've tried these things. They don't work unless you have a lot of money to invest in ads in the first place. I'm talking 10, 20 grand at least. Those businesses are much harder than they look and most people fail, so don't fall for the trap. I wasted years of my life with this. The real way to make money fast is by offering services and coaching. It's simple, it's fast, and it works. Look, I'm not going to lie to you. Making money fast is possible, but at first it's not easy until it gets easy. It takes hard work, it takes persistence, and it takes dedication. But if you're willing to put in the work, you can start seeing results pretty fast. The people who succeed are the ones who don't quit when things get tough. They keep going even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. If you want to make money fast, you've got to get started now. Reach out to clients, offer your services, and keep pushing forward. You can do this. Now, I know that a minority of people are really determined about becoming financially free. If that's you, click the link in the description below, because I've made a video where I'm revealing how I've made thousands of dollars per day in profit with my business working from home in my bathrobe. And right now, we're also offering a few free strategy calls with me or a member of my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less. But be quick, because spots are very limited, they fill up fast, and soon we'll take that video down. So click on the link in the description below. And with that being said, I'll see you on the other side.